Привет, это Natasha. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about the Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. Today you will learn how to answer the question «Откуда вы?» or «Откуда ты?». «Откуда вы?» is a formal question. «Откуда ты?» is an informal one. This question means «Where are you from?». The Russian question word «Откуда» equals two English words «Where from?». Of course, for answering this question, you need to know the name of your country. Unfortunately, I can't include in this video all the countries, so I looked at the analytics and found out people from which countries watch my videos. So let's read the names of these countries. Америка, Соединенные Штаты Америки, or shortly США, Англия, Бразилия, Германия, Индонезия, Испания, Италия, Китай, Марокко, Мексика, Португалия, Россия, Турция, Франция. An important note here. America is a part of the word, but in Russian, the word America is often used as a synonym for the USA. Also, pay attention to the abbreviation which is pronounced as США. Usually in abbreviations we just name the letters the way they are called in the alphabet, but this letter is called in the alphabet as S and this one as Sh. We pronounce it as США because people called it like that for a long time. It's a tradition. Kingdom in Russian is королевство. Королевство Великобритания, Королевство Испания, Королевство Марокко. The Russian Federation is Российская Федерация. You already know how to identify the gender of a noun and can see that the majority of countries are feminine. They end with a or iya. We have also one masculine name for a country in our list, Китай, and a neutral one, Марокко. Моя страна – Россия. Я из России. Из means from. Я из России. I'm from Russia. You see that I didn't use Россия here. I said России. After the preposition is, we use the noun in the genitive case. I already explained how to put a singular noun into the genitive case in my previous video. We used it in the construction «У меня нет». But let me quickly remind you. For feminine words, we have endings «ы» or «и». And if a word ends with «а», change it to «ы». But after these letters, write «и». We have two countries which end with «а». America, Mexico. They both have «к» before «а», so we change «а» to «и». Из Америки. Из Мексики. Other feminine words in our list end with «ия». In the genitive case, we change «ия» to «и». Из России. Китай is a masculine word with «и» краткое at the end. We need to change «и» краткое to «я». Из Китая. And Morocco is a neutral word. Pay attention, we don't change this word as well as other geographical names which end with the or «е». Is Morocco. Is Tokyo. is Oslo. We also don't change a word if it ends with the E. Is Chile. If you want to use the abbreviation США, don't change it. Я из США. But if you want to use Соединенные Штаты Америки, you need to put Соединенные Штаты into the genitive case. Я из Соединенных Штатов Америки. If you want to speak about the city, use the same formula. Is plus the name of the city in the genitive case. Я из Англии, из Лондона. And as you remember, we don't use the verb to be in the present tense. That's why it's just the subject, preposition, and the name of the country or city in the genitive case. Let's practice. You need to put a word into the genitive case. When you want to make a negative sentence, you put не after the subject. Я не из Англии. Я из России. When you want to ask, don't change the word order. Just use the intonation of a question. Ты из Англии? Now let's look at nationalities. Here we have 3 columns. The word we use for a man, for a woman, and for a group of people. Listen to the pronunciation. Американец, американка, американцы. Англичанин, англичанка, англичане. Бразилец, бразильянка, бразильцы. Немец, немка, немцы. Индонезиец, индонезийка, индонезийцы. Испанец, испанка, испанцы. Итальянец, итальянка, итальянцы. Китаец, китаянка, китайцы. Марокканец, марокканка, марокканцы. Мексиканец, мексиканка, мексиканцы. Португалец, португалка, португальцы. Русский, русская, русские. Турок, турчанка, турки. Француз, француженка, французы. As you can see, there is no one clear pattern how to form the word for nationality. Unfortunately, you need to learn it by heart. One more important thing here is the way we ask what is your nationality in Russian. We ask кто ты по национальности. The question word we use is кто, who. You may recall that in Russian we don't use the verb to be in the present tense. So the answer will consist of 2 words. Я русская. Let's practice. Match the country and nationality. That's all for today. Write down in the comments where are you from which country and city. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes. And if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.